Hello and welcome. We are in module 9. I hope you have practiced VLOOKUP function very well by now. As we know, VLOOKUP function has certain limitations. We can overcome these limitations by using two functions which are index and match in a combination. So let's have a look at how we can do this. And in the first part, we will see what were the limitations of VLOOKUP that we discussed in a previous module. So let's consider this example where we have created a product search window on a price list. In this particular case, we have used the VLOOKUP function for searching the product description as well as unit price from the price list, and the lookup value is the product ID. So the first limitation is that if we change the structure of your lookup array, which is this, then the lookup function renders useless. Let's see, if I delete this particular column, then we get error in our lookup formula. So let me undo this. The second limitation that we had was the lookup function looks only to the right of the lookup value, meaning for this example, we are looking at the product ID cell in the lookup array. So product ID cell is here and we are picking the product description which is to the right of this cell. VLOOKUP function cannot look on the left of the lookup ID. So this is the second limitation of VLOOKUP function.